It seems like most of us have a ton of cardboard to throw away these days. I've thought and thought, what can I do besides just cutting it up and throwing it in the recycle bin? And one day it occurred to me that 3D printing could be done with cardboard. First, I carefully measured all of the items that I wanted to put in a fixture. Once that was completed, I took those measurements and created boxes in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has rulers that allow you to accurately print things to exact measurements. This enabled me to create some stencils that I could use to create some cardboard templates. A little bit of time using a straight edge, a little bit of Scotch tape, and I had all of the stencils that I needed for making my layers. Before I made all of the layers, I made sure that everything fit correctly. It looks like a lot of work, but it really wasn't that bad. Finally, a little duct tape, strategically placed. And there we have it. I use this and the other fixtures I made every day. It is a great stress reliever for me to always know where a pencil is, to always know where a pen is and other items. And plus it was kind of fun to make. And I was able to do something productive with my leftover cardboard. I'm looking forward to finding more ways that I can use cardboard in ways other than cutting it up and putting it in the recycle bin. If you have any other ideas of something that I could make out of cardboard, please comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.